Hello, my dear students. Today our lesson is about absorption and transmission of water and mineral salts in plants. The plant consists of two main parts, which are root system and shoot system. Root system includes root and root hairs, and the shoot system includes stem and leaves. What does plant need to make its food? By photosynthesis process. Super. It's the process by which the green plants make their food through the raw materials in their environment. Photosynthesis process occurs when the plant leaves absorbs carbon dioxide from air, and the root hairs absorbs water and mineral salts as phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, nitrogen, and zinc from the soil. And the plant leaves absorb light energy from the sun. Then the photosynthesis process produces plant food, which is formed inside the leaves, and the oxygen gas, which is necessary for respiration of living organisms. The absorption of water and mineral salts by roots, but the transmission or the transfer of water and mineral salts from roots to other parts of the plant occurs by stem. First, absorption of water and minerals. The plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil through the root hair in the roots. This is a small parts in the roots which is called root hairs. What's the structure of the root? The structure of the root consists of number of layers. Let's begin with the external or the outer layer, which is called epidermis, which root hair extend. Then cortex layer, which is followed the epidermis. Yes, this one called cortex. Then xylem layer or wood tissue. It follows the cortex layer. And between the cortex layer and the xylem, there is layer called endoderms. Then the last layer called base layer. So again, the root consists of layers. First one, or the external one, epidermis, cortex, xylem, base layer. What is the function of the root system? It is the branched and subdivided and extended through the soil particles. Give reason. Why? Because to affect the plant in the soil and absorb the water and mineral salts from the soil. The structure of the root hair. It extends from the epidermis cells, as we said before, of the root. Yes, they are lined, yes, from inside with a thin layer of cytoplasm. And it has a big vacuole or a space contains salt solution. What's the role of root hair in absorption of water and mineral salts? or the suitability of the root hair in the absorption of water and mineral salts. Why? Because its membrane is thin to allow the penetration of water and salts through it. The root's hair, they secrete, yes, a sticky or a viscous substance as a glue to help the root to penetrate the soil easy. And there is an important process in the root hair called selective permeability. It's a process by which the cell membrane of root hair allows some types of salts or select some types of salts to pass according to the plant's need. So we called it selective permeability. And there is an important feature or a property called osmosis. Again, osmosis. It is the transmission or the transfer of water molecules through the semi-permeable membrane from an area with high concentration of water to an area of low concentration of water. Or the area with high concentration of water has low concentration of salt solution, and the area of low concentration of water has high concentration of salt solution. Second, the transmission of water from the root to the other parts of the plant. First step, water dissolved mineral salts are absorbed through the root hair, are absorbed through the roots in the epidermis layer. Of the root. Then they are transmitted into the endodermis layer, which regulates bathing of water to the xylem. Then the xylem or the wood tissue rises them to stem and the other parts of plants as leaves and flowers. And there's an important process called transpiration. It is a vital process by which the plant loses water in the form of water vapor from the leaves or the other green parts of the plant through a holes called stomata. So what's meant by stomata? They are tiny holes that widely spread on the lower surface of the plant leaves and through which the plant gets rid of excess water. Each stomata surrounded by two guard cells, which are responsible for opening and closing stomata.